And what you do is the first 15 minutes of the trading session, you mark out the highs and you mark out the low of the candle, right? And then you go down to a smaller time frame once that threshold is made and marked on your chart. I typically go down to the 5 minute time frame, and whether we have a break above or a break below, we wait for that break, we wait for it to retest, and then we get into our entry. So for today's session, the orb worked out perfectly to the upside. There wasn't much of a comeback and retest of the high of the orb. Market just kind of took off today. There was some news that came out. I actually heard it from J. Lou that there was an investment from Saudi Arabia into the United States for about $600 billion. It's not no little bit of money. So that type of news and that type of those type of numbers fluctuates the market heavily, especially when it's concerning President Trump. So again, just to break down what the orb strategy is, this is our number one go-to strategy every single day. We mark out the highs and the lows of the 9:30 New York session open. 15-minute candle, we mark out the high, we mark out the low. We wait for either a break above or a break below that candle on a smaller time frame. I choose 5 minutes, and then we choose which way we're going to go from there. We'll get into a buy. This morning, it was a buy. It worked out perfect. Closed out a trade around 1080 in profit, which is a wonderful trade. So we kind of been chopping around for the last couple of 5 minute candlesticks, but we got out in profit. We're thankful for that. And I am going to start working on my education side for all of my new subscribers and all of my new followers. I want to share this knowledge with you. I want to create a community of traders. I want to build confidence in the market and get rid of some of that fear that you guys might have.